Hi dear students, should I tell you a very interesting fact about Americans? In US, the National Assessment of Educational Progress, generally known as NAEP, this is an association that tests what American students are learning. It found that two worst subjects for American students are Civics and American history. One survey found that only 7% of the 8th graders could describe the three branches of government. It's really very interesting. But I can hope that you all know well about the three branches of American government. If you know about the three branches, the three organs of American government, do let me know while commenting in the comment box. I am waiting for your interesting answers. Take care. Allah Hafiz.